Hey, and we're live. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to my page. Jason Brown here from Portland, Oregon, hopping on his winning webinar Wednesday to invite you out. You've probably seen me before. If you haven't, if this is your first time, welcome. Let me know you're here. Maybe let me know where you're coming in from. That'd be awesome. Just like to know who I'm reaching, who's seeing me, who's hearing me, all those good things. But on this Wednesday, wanted to come on real quick and just invite you to come take a peek at what's going on, see how real people are earning real money online from home, doing simple income producing activities, following simple instructions, following the blueprint in order to earn a real income. And maybe you've seen it, maybe you've heard about it, but continuing month after month after month, paid out well over $800,000 in commissions now, well over 1,800 members now. And it just keeps picking up speed, more and more momentum, and the movement that we are now, that we've now become, is impressive and definitely not going away. And people, anything that you do, anything that you find success in, anything that you find ways to be productive and to earn income and to share and help others do the same. There's always going to be people that try to poke holes in it and try to, talk it down and try to make bad of what you're doing or light of what you're doing, and it's not real, it's not sustainable. And I'm here to tell you that it is. And I'm not yet a millionaire. I'm not claiming that. And I do have some other income streams, and I've definitely recently added another one. But I still, this is definitely a bread and butter that is not going away, and I'm not going away from it. So I do have a webinar this evening. Love to have you come hop on and be a part of it. It's 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, 6 Central. I'll drop the link below of how you can get just hop on and take a look at what we're doing. Hear from our 7-figure creator of the platform. She'll speak directly of what it is and how it works and how you can be involved. Here's some live testimonials from real people like myself and others, just looking for opportunities to make themselves an income online and finding a way to do so. So that's really what I wanted to hop on here today and offer up. That come join us, hear about it, learn about it, what it is, and love to have you be my guest. Shoot me a quick message. Let me know you're interested. Happy to send the info. And as I mentioned, I'll have the link down below of how you can join the webinar as well. So 7 o'clock Eastern Time tonight, winning webinar Wednesday. Appreciate you stopping by as always. And I'm Jason Brown. That's what I got for today. I'm out. Peace.